y'all be gagging because y'all be like, girl, how is you driving and your hands are not on the steering wheel? Girl, I be getting cars that have Blue Link or cars that got Super Cruise Control. I can't do this. It's too much. It is too much. Not into that. Look at that. This car just cut me off. The car done slowed down. They know what to do. Honey, I trust it. I trust technology. We was in the car the other day, and the girl told me, you turn that out. Girl, they be going crazy. I don't give a damn. I drive all the way back to Georgia with this shit on. I don't care. I love